Hey there, this is Ray. I'm a digital marketer. So I'm going to introduce you KhanAi on this video, and it is a AI platform which you'll be able to create all sorts of content just from one dashboard. Let me just show you. So we're going to try KhanAi.io. Okay, 12, and what comes 15 after the verification is done. Yep, this is the dashboard. So we got 25 features here and some credits on this account. And this is the assistant. We'll be able to generate contents if you need any specific need, say a video script or any kind of social media strategy. There is this image generator, then this story generator. We also got this studio. So this AI audio studio, you'll be able to do multiple languages as well. So this is very cute. And then there is multiple more. So yeah, just visit KhanAi.io.